JB.
Yeah. What do you want to say to him?
I'm going to say JB.
Mm-hmm. Did you want to say hi, JB?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say it?
Hi, JB. Hi, JB.
Mm-hmm. What are
I
those?
remembered the mousetrap and the raccoon tricks you taught me. The mousetrap and the raccoon.
What do you think, Tess?
I say do that.
What else?
I say flopper. I say Adam.
Can you say bye? I love you.
I love you, Bob.